Inside this video, we are going to take a look to the Offline.php. So let's go to the CMS teachings and right click on the Offline.php and open with and Komodo. Let's go in here. Now you are going to have this initial file. Again, this probably won't be really that important anymore because you are going to have inside the new Joomla 2.5 the ability to customize the image from your offline Joomla website. Let's go to global configuration, and this option offline image will let you to change that. Let me show you how that will work. Click yes and click save. Then we are going to click on the view side one more time, and right now there won't be any image. But if we go back and click select, then let's go to the sample data and we are going to click on parks. Inside here, let's select this banner and click insert. Now we are going to click save, going back again to the front page and click refresh. There you are. As you can see, we are going to have a new image. Of course, you will need to modify all this template, but right now I am not going to be showing you how to do that. Now the other option, if you go back, you can also notice in here that the image, this will be the image that will be inserted inside your Joomla template, and this will be the PHP code that will find out if the image will be inserted by the Joomla configuration. Okay, right now you don't need to understand all this, but this CSS style, the offline.css, will be the main style that will be changing this layout in here. So if you go back to the admin and then go back to the system, let's click in there and then CSS. This offline will help you to modify the layout inside the offline CSS layout. Right here, as you can see, with that CSS file, you are going to be able to increase this border and this box in here. Believe me, you are going to be able to do many things, and this will be one example. It will be really simple to accomplish, and this will be another example from an offline Joomla website. Now if you want to create, of course, a very customized layout, you will need to take the CSS training, because in the future I am going to show you how to customize your offline page. Right now I am not going to show you that, but before finishing this video, let me just copy this image, right click, copy, and going back to my error.php so I can show you how this will work. And in here we are going to eliminate the final PHP line and the initial PHP line. Inside the source we are going to paste the URL from the image that we just copied, and for right now we are going to leave just as it is. Control S, going back, then one more time upload. Well, I upload the PHP file on the wrong folder. Let me make a selection, delete, yes, going back to my CMS teachings folder, right there, right click, upload, and going back. We are going to refresh one more time and notice how this image will get changed to this one. Let's go back, refresh. Well, in this case nothing happened. Why? Because I upload the wrong file, and it will be the error. Well, actually it will be the offline. Let me right click, go back, and make sure that I save everything. Right here, let me eliminate again, because again these mistakes can happen to anyone. It does not really matter if you are new to Joomla or you have been working with Joomla for 2 years, 3 years, or your whole life. Let me make a selection, Control C, going back, and make a replacement in here, Control S. Then we are going to upload the offline. Upload, going back, and refresh one more time. There you are. Now we have the new image. My friends, for right now, let me put everything back in here because we are not going to be leaving that as with the changes. And Control S, going back, refresh, upload, and refresh one more time, and there we are. For right now, my friends, that will be it, and let's move on.